A lot of people ask me, when do I exit the market once I've bought in? Now that's a great question, and it really depends on your personal goals for investing in crypto assets. This section is all about exit strategies. At the end of this section, you'll be able to develop a framework for exiting trades and establish and set stops to manage your risk. There seems to be a belief in the crypto trading community that it's never a loss until you sell. But don't think of it that way. The reality is, it's never a profit until you sell. Now, a lot of trading strategies focus on where you should buy, but the truth is, you should really consider where you sell. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about exit strategies. And there's two variables to exit strategies that make them so key to your performance in the markets. One, they determine whether you'll make a profit at all, and next, they determine how much of a profit you'll actually make. So exit strategies are even more important than entry strategies because of these two variables. There's a saying in the market, cut your losses short and let your winners run. But how exactly do you accomplish this? Now, there's a couple exits that minimize losses that I want to talk about. The first is the initial stop loss. And this is usually entered when you enter the market and you put a stop loss below where the market is trading so that if the position moves against you, you sell and protect the rest of your capital. Next is the time stop. Now, the time stop isn't necessarily a price level. However, if the trade that you had entered in doesn't seem to be working out, you give it a certain amount of time and then you sell. And lastly is the trailing stop. Now, trailing stops are key because they'll move with the market. So if you buy, let's say, Bitcoin at 10,000 and the price moves up to 12,000, your initial stop, which might have been $500 below your entry point, will move up to 500 below where the market is currently trading. So these trailing stops will help you lock in a profit once the market starts moving in your favor.